we are going on a trip. So for this So I carried my avocado from home. So the plate I kept my avocado, like the what's it called, the stickers on it, just did this, like stickers on it. They just like clip, not clip, gum to my skin. Yeah, that's the word. But I tried to remove some, but it's really hard. But I just kept her to explain what exactly it is. Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. From the title of this vlog, you already know what it is. This is a travel prep. We are traveling, so this is the prep. But first, I have like some work to do before I start running errands and like preparing for the trip. So I have a client I want to use an apartment today for a shoot. So I just came here to make sure everything is ready before the shoot starts. So the client that is there now, like the person in the apartment is supposed to check out by 10 a.m. So I'm just here. That's why I'm still outside. I'm just here trying to make sure that everything is in place and is cleaned and ready before my client checks in by 10. So yeah, that is why I'm here. Then after that, then I have errands to run. I want to get there's a foundation I want to get the shade of my foundation. As you guys know, in February, March, I can't remember, but earlier on in the year, I got a foundation which is not my shade, and because of that, I have not like set my makeup yet. And since we're going on a trip, I have to, so basically that's what I'm supposed to do today. And I also want to pick up my extensions, but the problem now is that it's raining, so I'm hoping by time is like 12-ish, 12:01. I'm hoping by that time the rain would stop so I can go and run my errands. So yeah, let the travel prep begin. We are going on a trip. Anyway, let me show you guys my full fit. First, I'm wearing this old Manchester jersey. So I and my husband, we actually got, I think, yes, not the old collection, but like we got some of the old jerseys and the new one as well. But this is one I'm wearing today. And I'm just wearing a black slide. So that's basically what I'm wearing to run errands. So yeah. Guys, so it is still raining heavily. I'm inside the apartment now. My client is inside the class, they're inside, but I am stuck here because of the rain. Since I have other tasks to do, because there's this founders program I'm taking, and there's some tasks I need to do. Since I have free time, like since I'm not running errands right now, I'm just going to focus on that. I actually have to eat in like 4 or 5 hours time, and I need to take my drugs 2 hours. I need to take my OSA drugs 2 hours before I actually eat. So I have to take it now, then figure out what to order from Chowdeck. So guys, I ordered breakfast already. I got pancakes, eggs, sausage. What else is inside? I've forgotten what else. But I'm going to be having them with avocado as well. Please do not judge me. But I brought avocado in my bag. Do not judge me. Do not judge me. Let me explain. The reason I have avocado in my bag is because this was supposed to be my breakfast. You get, because I had like lots of errands to run. I just thought that, you know what, I'm just going to eat this as my breakfast. That was the idea. But yes, that is it. So now I'm just going to have it to the things that I ordered. Please, what I say, do not judge me. Do not judge me. Yes, I it's not every time I go around with avocado in my bag. This is the first time. I'm being honest. This is actually the first time I'm going around with avocado in my bag. Okay, I know I love avocado, but it's not like that I take it everywhere I'm going. That's actually not it. Thanks. my avocado now. So the time is past 2. It's almost 3 to be honest. It's no longer raining, basically. So I want to head to Younger Beauty. So I have an impromptu meeting. Like I have 2 impromptu meetings with 2 different clients, and I need to jump on the meeting today. Like it has to be today for both of them. So because Younger Beauty is not so far from here, I'm just going to go to Younger Beauty because I want to get a foundation and maybe a concealer. I'm not sure if I want to get the concealer, but I'll just get there first. But my main priority is to get the foundation. Yes, that's my main priority, foundation. So I'm getting this foundation for my trip, and yeah, I just want to be able to do my makeup. And also I'm going to have like a dinner for my birthday, like my birthday evening. I'm going to have a dinner, and last year I went to my bare face. This year I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it again. And given the fact that we will not be in town, if I was in Lagos now, I'll just like find a makeup artist and all. But where we are traveling to, I don't really know if I want someone there to do my makeup. It's not like I'm not trying to say like they don't know how to do makeup or anything. That's not what I'm saying. But it's just like it's going to be extra cost, and I don't know. I just feel like if I'm able to, because it's not something like extravagant, if I'm able to like just put the foundation and do this and that there, you get. So that's the way I'm going to get the foundation. So I'm going to hurry now, go there. Then when I'm done there, I'll come back, have my meetings. Then like I said, I'm going to crash here and continue my errands tomorrow. Yeah. So guys, I think I'm going to stop at Miniso as well, but that depends on how much time I spend at Younger Beauty. Hopefully not so much time, so I can get to Miniso. The only thing I can't do today is to get my extensions because they close by 5 p.m. Yeah. Good evening, sir. Good evening, yes. Please, is this where Younger Beauty is? Yes, Younger Beauty. Is it very far? Okay, I can walk it. You walk us more. See her there. grab you, please. Sorry? Is this the right way? I'm kind of lost. Looks like where people stay. I don't know where. I don't get it. I've gone round. Guys, I've gone around the compound. Sorry, I didn't see any entrance.
As soon as you go straight, this first turning, when you relax, you can see the each other for your right hand. You go there by your left.
So before I get to this Camry car.
Yeah, you need to come over.
Yes. Oh, I think I missed it. This car was parked in front. Sorry? My shade. No.
Just the foundation you need. Do you need concealer, setting powder?
I just need foundation and maybe concealer. Let me see the concealer first.
I'll get an artist to shape natural.
Okay.
Should have red. And then you also have to wear and then
I'm laughing because people are looking at me like a serious person. Like you're giving me the mirror. You're giving me the mirror to look like I know what I'm looking for. I am just going on a trip and I want to be able to put something on my face. That's why I'm here. I don't know how to do makeup.
I'm showing you because it blended into your skin. If it blends into your skin like this, that means it's your shade.
Okay.
Yes.
I love it.
It's the concealer.
That's the one that will be at the top side.
Do you want to concealer?
Why would I want to?
Okay, so this is the concealer you're meant to do. Some people like to buy two concealer, one that is closer to their skin and one that is way lighter that they can put under their eye.
I want everything to look. I don't want anything to be light. I want everything to be like this.
Well blended.
Yeah.
So this one is what you need. This is the best for you.
Okay.
You come and do this thing now. Relax. Instead of you to come and let me.
Yeah, this actually blends.
Do you want to?
I have.
You need more than one.
Is that true? Are you gonna iron anything? So now you can't say anything to me.
You need to add Yangabiti setting powder to your collection.
Okay, that's so collection. That's what you're saying. Don't worry.
How are we sure that one is your shade?
Wait, the setting powder too has to be my shade.
Yes.
But the one I have is lighter than me. So I'll get the concealer and the foundation. Yeah. That will be what? For just 2 things. So what's my gift you guys will give me? No, this is the first time, so you have to. Okay, so with this now, they will give me gifts. I'm asking. Younger beauty. Where's my gifts? Okay. I don't think I'm joking. I'll sit down here with you guys. So even mirror, nothing you want to give me. Okay, this is my gift. Here's my own gift. Wait, where you are putting your hand? Just put your hand back and bring out my gift. Bring it out. That's the small one.
This is medium size. We have a smaller one. So this one is 15 mil. The bigger one is
So
35 mil.
where's the one you pack for me? Like how big is it?
This one.
Is that this one?
Size.
Let me go with the small one.
Is your face to show?
No.
Is your hand?
Because I'm not part of your PRO. Like I'm not your PRO list, so don't add my face to your content.
That's why we take consent first.
I'm saying this now.
Yeah, don't worry.
If any Nigeria beauty
Just what
PRO person is watching this vlog, add me to your PRO list. Thanks. Hi guys, so I just finished from Younger Beauty and I still have 45 minutes to spare, so I'm going to rush over to Miniso now. I booked my cab already and the cab is 4 minutes away, so I'm just going to wait outside. So guys, I spent so much time coming here because there was traffic. So yeah, because of the rain. There was also traffic when I was going to Younger Beauty, but because like the distance was not like that much, so it was easier for me to get there faster than coming here. But I have to start one of my meetings on my way because of the way I'm seeing the traffic. Because there's also traffic going back, and I have to go back to the apartment before my client finish shooting, so I can check everything is in order. So I'm going to get, first of all, top priority. Let me drop this inside my bag. So top priority is a neck pillow. I need a neck pillow. So that's the first thing we are going to look for. That's the first thing on my list. So I only brought one of my phones. So the other phone is not yet. So I will have to like be pausing, then check what's left on the list. So, but the first thing on the list is a neck pillow. Okay, this is a neck pillow, but there's pink because obviously I want pink, but I don't like the fact that they wrote Barbie on it. I don't know if it makes sense. So see it at the top. I really wanted pink, but that has Barbie written on it. That's my only problem. My problem is like it has Barbie on it, so I'll have to take. I'm not going to take. This is purple. I don't know if you guys can see it through the camera, but this is purple. It's blue, and it's even cheaper. This one is 8,800. Then the Barbie is 13,000 naira. So it's cheaper actually. Okay, look at the plain grey. There's plain. I think I'll take the grey instead. I'll just take the grey instead. Yeah. So, where are your like makeup, eyeliners, and all of that?
Those papers.
Okay. So they don't have lip liner or eyeliner. I'm not thinking I should have gotten it at the Younger Beauty. But yeah, I just want to pick wipes now, and that will be all. Basically, this is my basket. So I want to get these bottles. I don't know if I should get this one, this, or this, or okay, yes, that's all. I'm torn between this one and this one. The reason why I like this one because they are like different bottles and they are like squeeze bottles. But there's also this. But I don't think I have anything that will fit into these things. I think this works better, so I'll take this instead. So I did not get most of the things that I wanted. Not most, but like let's say half. So I still need a lip liner and a brow pencil. Like I'm just regretting why I did not buy from Nigeria Beauty now. So there's a mall at this side. So I'm just going to, instead of like taking a cab, I'm just going to walk there. They said it's not far. Hopefully it's not far, but let's see. I'll just walk there and see if I can get lip liner and eye pencil from there. I'm hoping I did not regret this, so I'm hoping so. Because I really don't like walking on the street like where there are cars and all that, very loud. Like main road, I don't like it. I'm not a fan. But yeah. So there's a sidewalk, so I'm using the sidewalk. So it wasn't a lie. I made it. Like it's actually not far. I don't think I walked for about 5 minutes if I'm being honest. So I'm here. here for nothing. Okay, so they have lip liner, yeah. So I got this lip butter that I have. I got it. I got another one. Then these. Hey guys, so I'm done and I just booked my cab. So my cab is on the way, and yes, I'm just standing out here in the sun. Yeah. But the sun is not really hot because it's evening, I guess. Well, yeah. What's this mark? Here. Hi guys, girl is back. I'm back at the apartment. I don't know if I've mentioned to you guys that I'm spending the night here because the shoot is going to wrap up at about 10 p.m. and I have to be here to like check that everything is in order by the time they are done. So that'll be too late for me to like go home. I would like if I wanted to, I would, but I should have said that I would just stay so I can run the remaining errands I have tomorrow before I go home. So yeah, let me show you guys my view. This is the view I was looking at. And you guys know I like water, so I was just looking at the water. It's just really beautiful. Yeah, that's one of the perks of this apartment, guys. Anyway, I did one of the meetings like in the cab while I was in traffic going to Minnesota, and just remaining one meeting that is yet to happen. So yeah guys, see, like I feel like I did very well today, so I am going to prepare for the last meeting for the day. Just wrapped up. I've checked everything that needs to be checked, and yeah, I'm about to go to bed now.